A big satwak to the controversial pastor Bajinder Singh, and there has been a lot of action right here in the court. One, he came in just about at 3 o'clock, and the moment he walked in, remember there were 7 accused, and then Pastor Bajinder is the only one pronounced guilty. The others have been let off in the case. We have with us Asim Basi. We'll just try and get a sense. He came in very quickly and then he just quickly went off. But the point is, he's been allowed to go. And what is the understanding? Because if he's been held guilty, he still managed to walk away from the court. The quantum of punishment is on the first. What do you think is going to happen next?
Well, I think the court has come hard on him because it's a 2018 year case, 7-year-old case, and as soon as he entered the court, since you were there, the judge said he's termed him guilty, and the quantum will come 1st April. Although we spoke to victim party as well, and they are expecting maximum punishment, and I think the court will consider that, and the quantum will be announced on 1st of April.
And let me tell you, this is one of the first cases. It's gone on for, as Asim was saying, 7 to 8 years. And thereafter, there are other cases which have really come up. But the point is, what really happens, because he has millions of followers, and this is going to be a setback. But this is one of the first, most sensitive cases, because remember, he was put behind bars earlier for 3 months. This is when in 2018 this case came up. By a young woman in her 20s. We will not name her because this is a rape case, a sexual harassment case. And thereafter, she also alleged that his men were threatening her. His men were trying to intimidate her, especially take the case back. But now, justice has finally been delivered, but we'll have to see the quantum of sentence because that is when it's going to be decided as to which way it's going to be. But a setback for the Yeshu controversial pastor Bajinder Singh in the 2018 sexual harassment and rape case. The POCSO court right here in Mohali has held him guilty, and the quantum of punishment will be given on April 1st. With camera person Gurjeet and Asim Basi, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Mohali for India Today.